One reason why they call it a pellet rifle, it's only supposed to shoot pellets.
Now you're probably asking, isn't it okay to shoot BBs out of a pellet rifle? Aren't a BB gun and a pellet rifle basically the same barrel? No, you'd be wrong. You see, the pellet rifle's barrel is a little bit roomier. It's bigger and thicker. It's more roomy. It means that the BB could lose a lot of power because a lot of air, since pellet rifles aren't powered by powder or anything, the BB is letting air escape around it since it's smaller than the pellet. So basically, here's what's going to happen when you roll a BB, when you put a BB in the chamber. It doesn't roll, it doesn't stay in the chamber, it rolls halfway down the barrel. And if you don't want to, since you're supposed to, not have BBs in the pellet rifle, if you do happen to get one stuck in it, just blow into the barrel, like that. And it should blow it out, because that's what's happening. But yes, we are going to shoot a BB out of the pellet rifle. I hit something. Maybe the ground. We just won't do that one again. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, rate, subscribe, or leave